Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing credentials and access. Sign into the channel's Google account on the other phone, enter email, password, and complete any two-step verification. Once signed in, open the YouTube app and confirm the channel appears under your account avatar. Switch profiles if multiple channels exist. Make sure app updates finish and that the phone has stable Wi-Fi or cellular data to avoid interruptions while syncing subscriptions and watch history. Next, manage channel-level access so you can upload and edit safely. If the channel uses a brand account, go to Settings Permissions to add or confirm your role, assign manager or owner as needed. Once permissions are correct, open YouTube Studio to check channel details, upload defaults, and linked ad or analytics settings. Pay attention to privacy defaults and monetization tabs. Adjust them now so uploads and live streams behave as expected when you start posting from this phone. Finish by testing critical functions. Upload a short unlisted video, start a live test, and check comments and analytics access. Once done, enable device-specific security like screen lock and revoke any unused device sessions in Google account settings to protect the channel. If you run into problems, first clear the app cache or reinstall YouTube. If locked out, use the account recovery flow or contact the account owner. Keep one troubleshooting tip handy. Reissuing an app update often fixes auth and playback bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.